Okay, first stop Kaison. So lah, aku guna phone je. So
Benda cantik. Dirty babe.
I don't know what we're looking actually, tapi I rasa macam nak beli macam deco for our vanity table. Macam letak something
Oh, vanity table.
atas dia.
I personally don't like a lot of stuff on
I know,
rambut
but
because it will get very dusty and I hate dust.
I know, but the atas nanti kosong kan, so we have to put at least something on it. We're getting distracted by all this stuff. Hey,
Enjoy
focus.
summer.
Summer. So cute gila. Look at this. Rancangnya garpu. Getting distracted again by this cool fan. Sebab tak guna battery, tak guna USB, guna tangan. Manual. Kinetic force. Okay, we should definitely buy this untuk keringkan muka, untuk skincare kan. Keringkan je. And it's cute too. Baik dia 9 je. Okay, done with Kaison. End up beli jam dengan kipas yang sangat berguna. Okay, next stop is Bath and Body Works and beli candle. Yes, that's why. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, yes. White mint latte. Sis. Done. Nanti kita buat haul balik rumah. Borong sis. Okay, we're looking for the Alex drawer. But we don't know where. Kat mana Where Okay, where's the Alex? Where are you? Ni dia. Tapi ni yang panjang punya. Mana yang pendek punya?
Ni.
Found it.
Gigi.
Biru juga macam.
Alah.
Murah.
Ada yang ni je, yang panjang je putih.
Nak beli panjang satu. Ambil. Guys, kapas putih. Malas nak hantar. We found it, guys. Cara soft.
Tekan 2 kali lah.
Okay guys, so it's been actually like a month sebulan lebih dah since the vlog yang I pergi IKEA tu beli the drawer and all that stuff.
So basically kita dah beli
Bawa balik actually. Yes, kita dah beli organizer.
Zakirah beli
I beli online. Yang wondering mesti ada orang tanya kan, kat Shopee just type je makeup organizer, dia akan keluar lah semua benda ni. I'll try to find it and put link dekat description box down below. And then kita bawa balik from Mr. DIY. Kita borong literally semua organizer situ. Habis tadi I ambil dekat rak tu.
Yeah, basically she freaking
So, siapa yang duduk Bangi pergi Warta dah tengok organizer tu dah habis, I lah yang angkut semua.
Yeah.
So basically yang I beli online is this one first. Yang ni dust proof skincare
bar.
Dulu kita orang suka beli yang terbuka-buka. Sekarang ni kita orang memang dah anti dust. Our face cannot sentuh habuk.
We both have allergies to dust.
Kita both ada sinus. So kalau kena habuk, memang muka kita akan break out and then kita akan bersin-bersin. So that's why kita beli semua yang bertutup. Jangan ingat you letak atas meja tu bersih, sebab habuk akan terjatuh. So kena you guys ni skincare.
Kalau korang tengok betul-betul you punya makeup products on top of the table, you can see like a layer of dust kan.
Kita akan tunjuk contoh. So ambil satu contoh situ.
Betul lah, yang ni kita punya makeup remover memang
You can
letak
see
je
dust,
atas
nampak
table.
tak? Walaupun you rasa macam you punya bilik tu sebersih-bersih alam, tapi kalau you tengok,
Nampak tak
putih-putih tu? Tu dust, okay? Tengok, habuk terbagi. Padahal kita bawa vacuum tu kan, bawa lap
Nampak tak
tu.
all the white things on it?
Okay, second item ataupun organizer I beli dekat Shopee is this one. Ni macam untuk blusher, bedak ke, compact powder or whatnot. Ada
Comel
dua.
sangat kan?
Our cleaner a bit pricey, tapi you know me, I'm the queen of online shopping. So I cari the most cheapest one This one is the most cheaper, RM12 je.
RM12 satu
Ni acrylic tau, yang keras ni, yang ketuk kepala you benjol.
Oi.
Ni bukan jenis yang macam plastik, yang macam very flimsy tak. Dia very keras. And then lastly I beli yang
satu.
Oh ni okay, this one dulu untuk eyeshadow palette.
Eyeshadow palette.
Tak, tapi dia panjang. This one pun acrylic. This one pun the cheapest lah yang I dapat cari dekat Shopee. I akan link it down below if you guys nak cari.
Benda ni boleh adjustable.
Adjust, yes.
Boleh cabut-cabut. So,
And then the last one I beli this one. This one yang bestnya, kalau you guys yang ada, this one is called Alex drawer from IKEA ni.
specially made for to fit into Alex
Nama ni
drawer
pun
IKEA.
Alex drawer IKEA punya organizer. So memang muat-muat ni. So kalau you guys beli, ni a bit pricey, RM80 untuk this one. Tapi since it's big, banyak gila benda you boleh fit in this, nampak tak? So I pun macam beli je lah. And then ni pun you boleh
adjustable.
adjustable juga. So that's the item yang I beli from IKEA pula dah. From Shopee. Okay, kalau you guys interested, this is hashtag not sponsored. Tapi I nak tolong you guys yang macam nak organize kan, dengan cari, I akan link it down below. Sebab I beli yang paling murah punya. Okay, so for Mr. DIY,
these ones are lipstick holders. So we bought 3 of
macam ni
these.
je dia. Because we have a lot of lipsticks. You guys gonna see in a minute. Nanti kita tunjuk. Tapi item ni pun tak cukup untuk semua lipstick kita. Cuma kita beli yang mana yang kita nak letak je.
Mana yang kita akan pakai selalu
And
lah.
macam display kan. And then I beli this one since I dah start to collect earrings sekarang. Sebab I suka pakai earrings sekarang, jewelries. Sebab dia pun bertutup. Okay, so the anti-dust. Sebab apa tau, bila kalau you display you punya jewelry, kalau kena habur, dia berkarat tau. Dia jadi busuk, I tak suka. Dia jadi busuk, I tak suka. So I beli this one, dia anti-dust juga, dia ada drawer. Tada, look at this.
Dia store dia memang meninggi macam ni kan.
So dia ada lubang-lubang you boleh cocok you punya earring kat situ.
So macam banyak you boleh letak earring.
Rings pun you boleh letak, necklace.
Necklace pun boleh.
Next one I beli like this simple punya organizer untuk letak like mascara ke apa pun. I'm not sure, tapi nanti kita
Ini kat DIY juga.
DIY RM4 10 sen.
RM4 5.
RM5. RM4
Ni ke?
RM10 yang 5 tu ni.
Oh yang ni.
This one RM4 50 sen. Yang ni I saja beli extra just in case ada extra makeup kita nak
Ni
letak
nak
dalam.
taruh foundation ke kan? Sebab dia besar sikit. So boleh taruh foundation.
Actually that is the last one yang kita beli kat Mr. DIY. So you guys, are you guys ready? Let's organize! Salah, aku cakap organize.
1, 2, 3.
Let's organize! Okay, so we are done organizing all of the makeup. Ikut dia punya kategori macam mascara, there, loose powder, cream blush, foundation, lipsticks, blusher, highlighter, bronzer, contour. So we're gonna start to organize it and letak dalam this drawer. I will not show you guys how they will look like inside of the drawer sebab I nak buat
Makeup collection.
yes, makeup collection tour for you guys nanti. So if you guys want to see that video, since that has been like the most requested video from you guys, so if you nak tengok, please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys nak tengok. Maybe if this video get 500 likes,
We'll do
500 likes guys,
collection.
500 likes, I'm gonna do the makeup collection video, okay? Okay guys, so that's about it for this video today. I'm so happy to organize all of my makeup finally sebab memang I tak pernah organize my makeup. Biasanya memang I just letak dalam drawer, tapi now it looks so neat. I can't wait to show to you guys. Tapi in this video, I bagi sneak peek je lah kan, sikit-sikit how it looks like. Macam ni. So if you guys nak tengok the full makeup collection ataupun makeup tour, you guys like this video. If this video reach 500 likes, I'm gonna do it right away and show you guys all of my makeup collection. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye!